Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Christian James Roy Rodilla and I'm a grade 10 student at Mabinis PG. I'm recording this video to talk about my family, so let's begin. I come from a complete family filled with lots of love and laughter, even if things get a bit chaotic sometimes. We're a big group with 4 siblings in total. I'm the middle child, the second oldest. So I've always been surrounded by a lot of house chores. My father works really hard as a construction worker, building homes and making sure people have a place to live. He's a strong and dedicated man, always willing to put in the extra effort. My mother stays at home, the heart of our family, taking care of us and keeping everything running smoothly. She's the one who makes sure everyone is fed, clothed, and loved. We're not rich, but we're always able to get by. We're a modest family, happy with what we have and grateful for the things we've been blessed with. My relationship My relationships with my siblings are a bit complicated. Like most families, I'm not close to all of them, but I have a really strong bond with one of my brothers. We understand each other in a way that words can't always express. My relationship with my father is more distant, but I'm very close to my mother. She's always been there for me, a constant source of support and love. I can always count on her for a hug, a kind word, or just someone to listen when I need to talk. My family has taught me some important things about life. One of the most important is to ignore bullies and not let their words to get to you. I've learned that people who are mean often end up getting what they deserve. It's better to focus on being kind and doing the right thing. My parents have also taught me the importance of respecting myself and respecting others. They've always said that everyone deserves to be treated with kindness and respect, regardless of who they are or what they've done. Even when my parents scold me, I try to listen and understand why they're upset. I know they only want what's best for me and I try to take responsibility for my actions. I know I'm not perfect, but I always try to learn from my mistakes and be a better person. The best advice they've ever given me is respect those who deserve your respect and respect yourself. It's something I try to live by every day. There have been times when my parents have said things that hurt my feelings. The worst thing I've ever heard was, "I wish I hadn't raised you. You're just useless." It really hurt at the time, and it still makes me sad to think about. But I know it came from a place of frustration. They were disappointed in some of my choices in the past. I've been trying to be a better person, to work hard to be nicer, and to avoid them getting mad at my actions or words. I want to show them that I've changed and that I'm trying to be a better person for my family. And that's a little bit about my family. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning a bit more about me and the people who are most important in my life.